Chloe! Welcome back to my channel. I'm here at Acacia, Malabon City. 3-door apartment, empty. Ayan po Ayan, nasa 7 meters po ito. Eto. Magmula dito. 3-door apartment, empty. Hanggang dito po. Ayan, 7 meters. Ayan. Tapos, ayan ang ayan ang Skyway. 1 minute away to Governor Pascual. Ito, lot 3 ito. Lot 3 yung location. Tapos, 2 minutes away to Francis Market. Ayan. Ayan. I'm here at Sisa, Acacia, Malabon City. For sale by the owner, 100 square meter. Ang lot area niya, ang floor area niya, 200 yan. Ito po. Lot 3 po. And then, Governor Pascual Ayun na po yung Governor Pascual Castex. Ayan. Dito tayo. Balik uli. Halos corner lot na siya. Ganda ng location. Slightly negotiable. Ayan. Nagre-range ng 7 meters ang frontage yan Facing south. 4 minutes away, 10 minutes away to SM Grand Central. That is it. Sa lahat ng mga interested potential buyer dyan, eto na po yung available dito sa Acacia, Malabon. Pwede nyo lagyan ng garahe, ilalim, patibag nyo. Yes, yo. Halos corner lot na siya. Isang house na lang. Ilang tao dito Tatlong room row ito